Police will summon the individual who circulated a viral video alleging that a policeman blocked an ambulance to make way for a convoy of foreign investors in Malacca last Thursday. Malacca Police Chief Datuk Zulkhairi Mukhtar said an investigation will be opened under Section 233 of the Communications and Multimedia Act 1998 for the improper use of network facilities or services. He stressed that while the police welcome public information regarding misconduct, they will not tolerate slander or false accusations against the force. Datuk Zulkhairi added that he will personally oversee the investigation and ensure firm action is taken against those who intentionally defame the police. Earlier, police clarified that traffic personnel did not obstruct the ambulance and that the siren heard in the video was from a police escort accompanying a delegation of investors from China.